Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a Modelones lipstick gel polish kit review, unboxing, and swatching. Yay! I received this kit from Modelones, and I'm here to review it. It's really nice. It's the lipstick collection because the packaging looks like little bottles and vials of lipstick. So if you want to keep on watching, this is a watch me work video. I'm gonna have timestamps in the beginning, or in the description rather, to show you guys if you want to just look at the swatches or whichever. And these are the colors. The kit comes with a lot of things inside. The link for this kit is in the description below. As well, you can use my code JSBeauty10 for a 10% discount. So here they are. They swatch very beautifully. The kit, as you see, it comes with a UV lamp. It comes with 6 shades of colors. They have different variations. This is the nude kit that I'm displaying for you. They also have another variation. It's like a purple kit they have on their website. So yeah, and they give you the 6 shades. They give you a base and top coat. You get a file. You get a buffer. You get a cuticle nipper. I'll just say a cuticle cutter. Really, it's not a nipper. It's a cuticle cutter and pusher. And you also get a nail oil or cuticle oil. So this one is really great for travel. I actually love this kit. I might take this kit on with me to vacation, especially if you're going to the beach. Here's all the colors. They look beautiful. And I love how the swatches of the colors came out because I just did like one coat and they have very great opacity. So here they are, the lovely colors there. And here is my little nail friend, Sheila. So I already kind of sculpted her nails a bit because I'm only going to focus on the design for this video. If you want to see any sculpting videos or how I actually sculpt the whole entire nails, I'm quite sure I have plenty of videos listed below and in the description. I might put some, but you could wait till the end of the video. So here I have a watch me work, and I wanted to kind of do a ombre French because I kind of like that subtlety trend. It's like, it looks like the colors were ombre. So I'm going to show a couple of inspiration videos right now. And yeah, overall for this kit, I do enjoy it. I think it's a great kit for the price. And plus you guys are also going to get an extra 10% off from me. So that'll be great. And yeah, I love the fact that the colors came out really nice. And here I am. I'm trying to do this French with this striper. Struggling. But yeah, you're going to keep seeing, because the way I'm doing this French, it's kind of like an ombre French. But with this, you're going to have to kind of cure in between layers. So this whole video is just repetitive. It's been a little while. I've been on my little hiatus, and I do apologize about that, but I am going to be putting myself back on a video schedule for you guys. So therefore, I am going to be coming through on Wednesday, which is today, and then Fridays will be also my video schedule that I'm going to be uploading more videos for you guys to see me. A lot of things happened. I purchased a new car. I'm gonna have a video talking about that. And yeah, it's just, you know, going through the summer, starting this lovely summer for you guys. Anybody have birthdays in this month of June, July, summer months? Shout out to all the summer babies. You know, just send me a heart or whatever if you're a summer baby. I'll just shout you out. And yeah, you guys can continue watching this video. It's kind of self-explanatory. It's just I'm repeating the same process. So you're just going to be keep looking at the same thing happening. All right, so I'll catch up with you guys later. I'm quite sure I missed you guys. Thank you so much for the love. And like I said, once again, if you want to purchase this kit, it's going to be in my description below. The link, it goes directly to purchase the kit, and you get 10% off extra. So it's a really good kit for a beginner, for a starter kit, for someone who kind of wants to do nails at home. This is a perfect kit to do so. All right, so I will be back and see ya later. Okay, so now I'm finishing up the design. So there was some footage that got lost where you guys didn't see me do the initial, I guess, filling in so far as with the French that I did, besides the first hand or the first thumb. But yeah, when it got to the pinky, I was starting to run out of space. So what I did was I made a square, and it kind of made me think like, dang, I should have just did the square throughout. I feel like it would have looked a lot better, but nonetheless, I still like it. I still like this design. It's really cool, kind of like geometrical in a sense. So, and of course, it's coffin shape, which is like my favorite nail shape. So, I'm like, if you guys see, I always end up doing coffin nails. Oh my gosh, I need to kind of switch it up a little bit. Maybe I'll do some stilettos. But just for some reason, I just love how the coffin shape just looks. So I finished. I already put some top coat on there, and I'm going to cure it with the Model 1's lamp, which is so convenient. And now, as you see, I was like, it needs something a little more oomph. So I like the fact that this kit also comes with decal stickers. They came with butterflies as well. I just didn't think of a design that went with the butterflies, but I do like these little gold triangles that I added. I wanted to do original like little gold chains, but I actually like the little tiny triangle things that I added. I could have added like studs or rhinestones right there, but I think this was just enough. I just wanted to do something very simple, very classy, and here they are right now. Now, when you add the decals, I didn't film this, but I actually buffed the nail surface before I top coated them again. I usually just add them just to see how they will look. But here's the finished products. They came out really nice. Look at them in the sunlight. It's just so pretty. And yeah, Sheila, she doesn't have her arm, but you know, they just came out really pretty, and I'm just really proud of what I made. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I thank you for staying with me in this journey. Once again, the link to this product is down below, and you get a discount of 10%. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.